I'd like to say that plastics are recyclable as many times as you put them in the right bin. So what happens when you put your materials in the right bin? These will be collected by your local waste management service and they will find their way to the recycling facility. Our Leamington Spa site is equipped with the latest technology and recycles nearly 40% of all of the UK polypropylene household recovered plastics that are put into these recycling bins. And we make these into high quality, contact sensitive and food suitable resins. Berry's Cleanstream recycling process is very extensive and we use many types of separation to focus on getting high quality polypropylene. At each stage we remove contaminants such as metals, flexible plastics and other non-target polymers, but we still ensure these go to the right place and are recycled well. Once we get a stream of high quality polypropylene using near infrared detection, we separate it into coloured and white and transparent. The coloured stream is recycled and turned into industrial products, for example, while the white and clear go into contact sensitive and food products. The white and natural goes through a slightly more intensive process as we include an extra step using AI technology. This enables us to clearly identify food from non-food products to ensure we meet all the regulatory as well as quality control targets. Once the polymer is sorted, it's then granulated and goes through an intensive washing stage, including detergent and caustic. Finally, we rinse the materials and dry it before it goes through another stage of infrared sorting to make sure it's as pure as we can make it. The high quality flakes are then extruded and melt filtered and put through a final decontamination stage before it is ready for new products. Quality control is a critical step in the process and happens throughout at many stages. We test for multiple things, including colour, contaminant levels, but throughout we're targeting the highest quality standards to ensure we meet the rigorous demands of regulations and our customers' requirements. In a nutshell, that's our Cleanstream technology that we use at Berry Circular Polymers. All of this process gives us two primary outputs. One grey recycled polypropylene that we use for home care and industrial use, and a contact sensitive grade for food and beauty applications.
The Cleanstream material is transferred automatically from the silos to a special blending unit, which it was then material is mixed with virgin materials. It moves from those blending units to a second station where we add specifically designed master batches, which allows us to produce components with the same aesthetics and functional capability that we do have for our virgin material components. So the requirements for beauty and medical containers is very high, and therefore we need to have very well controlled processes as well as clean stream material means that we can ensure that we are consistent with virgin material requirements. We have a range of products which we can use the Cleanstream material for, which is outside of the more stringent requirements, but they still need very close controls and an automated process to ensure we have the same quality and aesthetics and functionality of the components that our consumers will use. The benefit we've seen is the fact that it is very consistent in terms of material. Our processes are fully automated from supply to end consumer, and therefore consistency of material is absolutely critical to our process, and that's what Cleanstream gives us. As an additional benefit of the Cleanstream process, it gives us an improved carbon footprint.
Many of our clients have increasing commitments towards including recycled content in their packaging. Legislation and consumers are going in the same direction. Packaging made with Cleanstream material really stands out for its rigorous quality control. It gives customers confidence in a safe, circular product, whether it's a cosmetic bottle, a food container or an industrial pail. And as for the end consumer, the on-shelf experience is enhanced by knowing they're buying a product with increased plastic circularity.